Let's make Japanese pancake, but made with sourdough starter. Start with a quarter cup of active sourdough starter, half cup flour, and half cup water. Mix until smooth. Add a splash more water if it feels thick. Here's what make this with probiotics. Let it ferment 4 to 6 hours. Or you can cook it right away to get prebiotics benefits. Once fermented, mix in 1 egg, a pinch of salt and pepper, chopped cabbage, onions, and your choice of protein. You can also add shrimp, pork, or even leftovers from your fridge. Heat a little oil on medium. Pour and spread the batter evenly. Cook for a few minutes till golden, then flip carefully. Now the fun part. Drizzle with mayo, okonomiyaki sauce, and a sprinkle of nori or bonito flakes if you have them.
This is our sourdough okonomiyaki. It's savory, gut-friendly, and yummy.
Easy on the stomach. Thanks for watching. For more gut-friendly sourdough recipes, subscribe to LizB Oetting.